This is it! Feel that beat! Lagos is alive today!
Tunde, you're on fire! This video is going viral, I swear!
Tunde, this dancing and music, it will not build your future. Tunde, those headphones again? You need to focus on school.
But Dad, this is what I love. I can make something out of it.
Love does not put food on the table. Education does.
Let the boy speak, please.
I'm not just playing around. I feel it every time I hear a beat.
He's really good, sir. People believe in him.
The video you just watched was created using AI. Characters. No camera, no expensive equipment, and only a smartphone with a good internet connection. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create AI-powered videos like this using completely free tools. If you're someone who wants to start making money online, grow a YouTube channel, or learn practical AI skills without needing a laptop, then you're in the right place. On this channel, I explore different AI tools, share step-by-step tutorials, and show simple ways you can turn these tools into real online income opportunities. So if you're ready to learn how to create content, automate your workflow, and build something online using just your phone, let's get started. Step 1. Creating the story. Open ChatGPT and you'll land on an interface like this. Go ahead and paste your prompt into the prompt box. Here's the exact prompt I use. Create a prompt for a Pixar-style 3D animated story centered on an African story. The story has 3 scenes with multiple characters in each scene. Once you've pasted it in, tap Generate. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a full story breakdown, and this is what we'll use for the entire process. Next, we refine it a bit more. Ask ChatGPT another simple question. Give me the scenes for each story with dialogues in each scene. Tap Generate again, and in a few seconds, you'll get detailed scenes with dialogue, which makes everything much easier to follow. Now, let's get animation prompts. Just ask, also give me animation prompt for all the scenes in story 1. Then click Generate. I usually start with story 1 so things don't get overwhelming. After a short wait, ChatGPT gives you a full animation breakdown that we'll use later. Now that our story is ready, let's move to the next step, creating scene images. For this, we'll use a free tool called Whisk AI. Open your browser, search for it, click the first result, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click Enter Tool. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube, or 9:16 if you're creating Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your Scene 1 image prompt. Head over to Whisk AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll get a couple of image options. Pick the one you like, download it, and refine it if needed. This helps keep your characters consistent across scenes. Repeat the same process for Scene 2. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk AI, generate, download, and refine. Just keep doing this for all your scenes until you've created every image you need. Next, we bring these images to life using a free AI tool called Grok AI. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your animation prompt with dialogue for Scene 1. Then open Grok AI and make sure it's set to the Imagine option. Upload your Scene 1 image, paste the prompt, and if needed, add character details. For example, Tunde wearing headphones. Then hit Generate. After a few seconds, your animation clip is ready. Preview it.
This is it! Feel that beat!
And
Lagos
you'll see
is
how
alive
everything
today!
starts coming together. Go ahead and download it. Now do the same for Scene 2. Copy the dialogue prompt, upload your image in Grok, paste the prompt, and generate. Once it's ready, preview it.
Tunde, you're on fire! This video is going viral, I swear!
And download. Repeat this for all your scenes. Finally, let's combine everything into one video using CapCut. Open the app, tap New Project, and upload all your clips. Arrange them in order, trim out any unwanted parts, and add background music if you like. Once everything looks good, tap Export. And just like that, your full animation video is ready. Let's play the final result.
This is it! Feel that beat! Lagos is alive today!
Tunde, you're on fire! This video is going viral, I swear!
Ah! Young blood! Dance like the drums are speaking to your soul!
Again! Do that move again!
Watch closely. This one is for the whole city. Tunde, this dancing and music, it will not build your future. Tunde, those headphones again? You need to focus on school.
But Dad, this is what I love. I can make something out of it.
Love does not put food on the table. Education does.
Let the boy speak, please.
I'm not just playing around. I feel it every time I hear a beat.
He's really good, sir. People believe in him.
Lagos, are you ready for the next big star?
This is my moment.
Play from your heart, my son. The drums will follow you.
And that's how we created this full AI animation, from story idea to final video, using just a smartphone and completely free tools. From generating the script, designing consistent characters, to turning simple images into talking animated scenes, everything you saw was done step by step. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. And if you want to keep learning how to create content like this and actually start earning with AI, check out the videos on your screen right now. I've broken everything down even further for you there. I'll see you in the next one.